What up, Smart Rapper Gang? I'm Rob Level, the only rapper you know who's giving other rappers the cheat codes. And this is Smart Rapper, the #1 place for upcoming rappers. You're not gonna be able to get information like this because I'm the only rapper who's actually putting his heart and soul into learning this stuff. And then when I learn it, I teach you. Everybody else is just trying to make money from you. Welcome to another video that's part of the SoundCloud promotion week, where I'm gonna go over everything that I've learned studying and researching music marketing and promotion for SoundCloud over the last couple months. And I learned a lot. And I'm gonna give you guys all the secrets that I learned. Wow. Absolutely insane results with these marketing tactics that I used for SoundCloud. And I created a brand new SoundCloud from scratch, 0 followers, 0 streams, no songs, uploaded a song, started using these tactics, and here were the end results at the end of 30 days. This is insane, okay? 30 days from 0, from nothing, okay? And I only use the tools I'm gonna talk about in this video. And we can assume that if I was able to do this with 0 followers, that you can do the same things that I did, right? And grow the same way. But the cool thing is, if you already have followers and stuff like that, you're gonna grow even faster, because I had to start with 0, which means I had a lot less social proof. And social proof is if somebody sees that somebody else already has a lot of followers or that somebody else already has a lot of streams, well, they take them more seriously, right? So you gain followers faster. That's why somebody with 1 million followers will grow a lot faster than somebody who has 50 followers. Because you might follow the person with 1 million followers, but you're not gonna follow the person with 50 followers because you're like, why follow them, right? That's what social proof is. As I grow the profile, I'm gonna grow more, right? But I started at 0. And a lot of you might be starting at 0 too. Now I'm making individual videos on every single feature that this website has that I'm using, and I'm gonna release those throughout the week so you can check the channel for all those, or make sure you subscribe. It's 100% free to do. Do it. But today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna focus on the exact results that I got from spending $25 on this website. So basically, what happened when I spent $25? What exact results did I see from that $25 on a new account, okay? Meaning that if you spent $25, you would get similar results. Now I'm gonna show you exactly what $25 did and what you can do with $25 right after the intro. Quick, I just wanna show you guys, I'm actually uploading Wait We Trapped, which is my brand new song. I'm on SoundCloud now. I haven't even published it yet. I'm about to hit the go button. But if you wanna see how well this stuff actually works, go to my SoundCloud and check out how Wait We Trapped is actually doing. Go ahead and make it public right now. Boom. Go check it out. SoundCloud.com/RobLevel, and of course there'll be a link in the description. Go see how well it's working, because that's how well it can work for you. Now, I spent this $25 around day 20 of my exploration into using this site's features. I spent $25 on credits for this site where you can repost each other's music, and $25 gives me X amount of credits. I then used those credits and then saw what those credits gave me as a result of buying them, okay? Now this is real SoundCloud marketing at its finest. We're talking about getting your music heard by a ton of people in just the right music genre that you're in, probably hip hop, right? And actually doing it all at one time, just boom, getting seen by a bunch of people. So at day 20, these were the results that I already had from the site. I then bought $25 in credits and I set it up to run in a campaign, which you can do in a couple clicks. And at the end of those credits being used, here were my results. Basically for $25, we saw these exact number changes, okay? And this was just as easy as buying $25 in credits, putting it into a campaign, and pressing the start button, which takes less than 30 seconds. This isn't bad for $25 in SoundCloud marketing, okay? Because if you buy SoundCloud promotion from a lot of sites, $25, generally it's somebody buying you fake streams and views. That's why when you click the profiles that like your stuff, they're not real profiles and you're not getting real comments. You get 5,000 streams and 6 comments. That's not real. But this is 100% real, and you can see from every person that's engaging. You can click to the profile and go, oh, this is a real person. Yeah, music posted, or there's a real person. He's following other artists. I can see this. They have pictures. And the comments are legit for the song. See, now most sites tell you to buy real SoundCloud promotion, but what they're doing is they're using sites like boosterboss.com, and boosterboss.com is like dirt cheap, okay? So you'll buy something for like $1, but what they'll do is they'll mark it up to like $5 or $10, and then they sell you what that costs, so they make all the money in between. They're middlemaning you, right? And that's garbage, because you shouldn't have to pay an extreme amount for fake stuff. If you're gonna buy fake stuff for social proof or something like that, you should be paying like pennies, because it's not real people, okay? It's not real people. This is real people. You need real people, real fans. Otherwise, you're just lying. What's the point of having 1 million streams on a song, but but you have no fans. That's literally useless. It's the most useless thing. You feel cool, but everybody else knows it's fake. That's stupid. See, in this circumstance, by using the credits that I got for $25, I was able to get my music reposted to a ton of people. What I was able to do in just 1 month with a brand new, SoundCloud profile is absolutely incredible, because honestly, I did not come anywhere near expecting the type of results that I saw. Because if you look at it here, here's day 1, 0 followers, and here are my results at the end of the month, okay? And you can go look for yourself, soundcloud.com/RobLevel. You're gonna see everything is legit. Go look at every comment, go see it's all real people. All right. This is crazy. I did this to prove that if you have good music and you're using the SoundCloud methods that I'm teaching you, you can grow the same speed that I'm growing, okay? Because I started it from scratch. Now, after testing Repost Exchange and seeing that it wasn't a scam and that it was real, and I even used SoundCloud tools to verify if users were real and stuff like that, and it came back with extremely high results, like over 90, I think with 94%. So saying that, I knew it was a real site. And from that, I was like, okay, well, let me do something for Smart Rapper. So I reached out to the CEO of the company, and he's gonna give anybody who signs up through my link 30 free bonus credits for signing up even to the free level. I'll put a link below for you. It's gonna give you 30 extra credits that users don't generally get when they sign up, okay? It's gonna save you a bit of time and allow you to reach more people for free. Also, if you're already a member, you can use the code SmartRapper to gain the extra 30 credits as well. And again, I did this all from scratch. I didn't even tell my fans that I made a new SoundCloud profile. I only used this site, and actually now what I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna start utilizing SoundCloud Manager. And if you don't know what SoundCloud Manager is, it's a bot that goes out and drives traffic to your page. You pay for it one time, then you can use it. And what you can do is, and I'm gonna show you how to do it actually. You can actually set like 10, 20 different SoundClouds into the side profiles, and they're all driving traffic to your profile daily. Now, I haven't started implementing this yet. I'm about to as soon as I release my second single. So the two things gonna be happening is SoundCloud Manager. I'll put a link below for that so you can check that out. And I'm also gonna use Repost Exchange. And in combination, I'm excited to see how fast my SoundCloud grows. I mean, by month 3, I mean, geez, if you guys can do the same thing, this is insane, okay? What a Smart Rapper, quick cut to, if you want the course, and I built this whole course, took me 2 months to build, I'm gonna give it to you 100% free. It's step-by-step exactly how I went from 0 followers on SoundCloud to 1,000 followers on SoundCloud in less than 30 days, 100% free. There's only 2 things I'm asking from you. 1, you give me a 5-star review on this course when you take it, because I'm gonna give it to you for free, and it usually costs $50. And number 2, you follow me on SoundCloud. That's it. The links are gonna be below. It's free. Go get it. You're gonna get the secrets. All right, back to the video. All right, that's enough. Make sure you subscribe. I got tons of these videos, a lot more of these coming. Check out these other videos right here, because all these SoundCloud videos, you're gonna learn a lot about SoundCloud, okay? A lot, okay? About music marketing, which is, I know is what you need. You wanna get hurt, all right? I'm Rob Level, the only rapper you know, giving you the cheat codes that the other rappers don't want you to know, okay? And this is Smart Rapper, the #1 place for upcoming rappers. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top. Smart Rapper, gang!